In this video, I'm going to use a running stitch to sew a line of stitches just above the guidelines at the base of each of the bunny's ears. And that just keeps the stuffing from moving up into the ears when I'm stuffing the bunny's head. So I like to find a place between the two layers of fabric, you can see between those stitches, where I can push my needle so that whenever I pull it through, the knot will hide. It'll be buried down in between the two layers of the fabric. I'll just tug that through so that it's hidden between those two layers. And then I'll make a line of stitches just above that guideline. It usually just takes 3 or 4 stitches across there. When I'm finished sewing that line of stitches, I'm going to turn my work over and I'll make an ending knot by picking up just a little bit of the fabric on the back side of the work, and I will pull it through to make a loop. And then I'll pass my needle through it once, and then again a second time, and then just pull it snug up against the back of the fabric. And that way, there's a little knot right there. Now I'm going to take my needle and I'm going to push it through very close to that knot and push it down in between the two layers of the fabric. It's not coming out on the front side, it's coming out between the two layers. Then I'll pull that tight, and as I tug it, just snugly, that little knot kind of disappears into the back. And I'll use my scissors and snip that off. You want to be careful when you do that, that you don't tear the fabric. You don't want to pull it that hard. But if you pull it just a little bit snugly, then you can kind of pull that tail in through the work and kind of hide your knot. So I'm going to re-thread my needle, retie that thread, and now I'm ready to do the other side. I've done that side. I'm going to do the exact same thing on this side.